Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, Speak Smart. Think Global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Today we're opening a new chapter, quite literally because we're talking all about books, reading habits, favorite genres, vocabulary, and how books can improve your English.
If you love reading, this episode is for you. And even if you're not a big reader yet, stay tuned. We'll share tips to start, fun stories, and language tricks hidden in the pages of every book.
And remember, if you enjoy this journey, subscribe now so you never miss a story, a tip, or an episode that helps your English. And please share this video too, so more learners join us. Let's start with words and phrases that English speakers often use when talking about books. A genre, type of book, like mystery, romance, fantasy, biography. Plot, the story, what happens. Character, the people or animals in the story. Page turner, a very exciting book you can't stop reading. Classic, an older book still loved today. Bestseller, very popular book with many copies sold. Hardcover, paperback, ebook, different formats. Chapter, sections of a book. Blurb, the short summary on the back cover.
Try repeating these out loud. And tell us in the comments, what genre do you enjoy most? Are you into fantasy, thrillers, or nonfiction?
Also, do you prefer paperback, ebook, or audiobook? Comment below, and don't just type. Say your answer out loud for practice.
Let's see what a natural chat about books sounds like. Sophie, what are you reading right now?
Right now, I'm reading Educated by Tara Westover. It's a memoir about her journey from growing up in a strict family to discovering education and the world outside.
That sounds powerful. I recently finished Atomic Habits by James Clear about building good habits with small steps. Really practical and great for daily life.
Listeners, you could say, I'm reading. It's a real page turner. Or, it's a bit slow, but interesting.
And don't forget to ask others, what are you reading, or would you recommend it? Great small talk questions.
Mini tip. When you talk about books, use present continuous. I'm reading, because you're still doing it.
Let's share stories of books that changed our lives. For me, it was The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. The idea of following your dreams, even when the path is unclear, really inspired me.
For me, it was Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. At first, it felt difficult, but once I got used to the language, I saw the humor, the culture, and the love story, and I fell in love with classic English.
Books do more than teach words, they teach values, cultures, and new ways of thinking.
Exactly. Share in the comments. Which book changed your perspective?
And why?
We'd love to feature your answers in the next episode.
Did you know the oldest known novel is over 1,000 years old? It's The Tale of Genji from Japan.
And the most translated book in the world, after the Bible, is The Little Prince.
The longest novel ever? In Search of Lost Time by Marcel Proust, with over 9 million characters.
And today, audiobooks are the fastest growing book format, perfect for English learners.
Fun fact, reading fiction has been proven to increase empathy because you imagine other people's feelings.
So books don't just teach language, they make us kinder and wiser. Let's practice writing. Choose a book you love, in English or your language, and write a short review.
Structure. Title and author. What it's about. Your opinion. Would you recommend it? Why?
Example: Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. It's about a young wizard discovering his world. It's funny, magical, and exciting. I'd recommend it because it makes reading fun.
Now it's your turn. Write your review and post it in the comments. We'll read some aloud next time.
And if you enjoy writing, start a reading journal. Write a few lines after every book or chapter.
Let's practice these common phrases readers use. I couldn't put it down. The story really drew me in. It was a slow start, but then it got better. The ending surprised me.
Repeat after us, slowly, focusing on rhythm and intonation.
I couldn't put it down.
The ending surprised me.
Notice how we stress content words, put, down, ending, surprised.
Say them with feeling, as if talking to a friend.
Many English learners ask, what should I read first? They feel pressure to pick something important like Shakespeare or Dickens.
But here's the truth. The best book is the one you enjoy, because enjoyment keeps you turning the pages.
If you love fantasy, start there. If you love history, read history books. Even comics or graphic novels are great, they have pictures that help you guess words from context.
And don't forget graded readers, books specially written for learners, sorted by levels. You can build vocabulary without feeling lost.
Another tip, reread a book you love in your native language, but this time in English. You already know the story, so it feels easier.
Reading aloud also helps your speaking. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Remember our phrase. Pages, not perfection. One page read is better than one chapter planned but never opened.
Tell us in the comments, what will you read next? And say it out loud too. Speaking your plan makes it real. Let's travel through reading cultures. Did you know that in South Korea, there are study cafes where people quietly read or study together?
In France, the idea of flaneur wandering and browsing in small bookstores is a beloved weekend activity.
In Argentina, especially in Buenos Aires, some old theaters have been turned into stunning bookstores, like El Ateneo Grand Splendid.
In Morocco, public storytelling and reading in markets used to be a big tradition. Books weren't just private, they were performed aloud.
In the US, public libraries often host story time for kids and book clubs for adults, making reading a social event.
And don't forget little free libraries, small boxes in neighborhoods where people leave books and take books freely.
Learning tip: follow an English library, bookshop, or author on social media. You'll see new words and book culture every day.
And share with us in the comments, what's a unique reading habit in your country? We'd love to learn from you.
Quick quiz. Comment your answers below. 1. What's a page turner? A. Boring book. B. Very exciting book. C. Short story. 2. What does genre mean? A. The author's name. B. The book's topic type. C. The last chapter. 3. True or false? I'm reading uses present simple.
Pause, think, and type below. We'll reveal answers next episode.
Ready for your challenge? Here's what to do, and yes, do it in English. 1. Share a favorite book title in English or translated title. 2. Write a short review, what it's about, why you liked it, and who should read it. 3. Recommend it to one person, a friend, family member, or even a stranger online.
Extra challenge. Record yourself talking about the book for 30 seconds. Or make a short video and post it online. Speaking builds fluency.
Remember, don't worry about perfect grammar. The goal is to communicate and share your love for reading.
And after you do it, comment here. I completed the challenge. My favorite book is. We'll celebrate your effort together.
Plus, you might inspire someone else to pick up a book. That's the beauty of community.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so your friends can join too. The bigger our book club, the better. Today, we learned book vocabulary, real conversations, writing and speaking tips, stories and cultural facts, pronunciation practice,
and most importantly, reading helps your English and your soul.
So keep reading, keep speaking, and see you next time.
This was the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.